loves, welcome back to my YouTube space. Today we'll be making this pretty gown with scrunchie sleeve for this baby girl. These are the things I'll be using for this tutorial. So I used about 1 yard of fabric. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure how wide I want it to be. I use 30 inches for mine. It depends on how full you want your gathers to be when you pass the elastic through it, but for me I use 30 inches for a 4-year-old. So I folded the fabric into two, but this is going to be into four because I have two pieces of that 30-inch fabric. I folded it into four. Since it's an off the shoulder gown, of course I'm going to take some inches off. I took 6 inch off. I marked out the full length I'm going to use the entire fabric. Then, still maintaining that 6 inch off, I came down by about 9 inches. It depends on the size of the child you'll be making for. Then I just draw a curve like that to just make an armhole for it. It's a very simple style to make. So I'll just curve it out this way and I'll just cut it out. That's basically it for the cutting of this style. So after that, I'm going to open it up. You can see it's two, one for the front, one for the back. So two pieces, one for the front, one for the back. I'm going to fold it in a bit like this, then fold it in again by maybe 1 inch so that your safety pin will be able to pass through it, because you're going to pass through an elastic through the casing you're going to make. This is what it looks like after I pass the elastic through it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure it to the exact bust measurement. I'm going to pin it down so that the elastic will be in place. You measure after you put your elastic, you make sure it's the exact bust measurement you're looking for. Yes, our bust measurement is 20, so this 10 inches is okay for me. Then I did the same thing for the other piece. So I have two pieces of the fabric now, and I already passed the elastic through it, stitch it down. So what I'm going to just put the right side facing each other, and I'm just going to put it together this way and just stitch it down by maybe 1 inch or half of an inch, depending on your choice and depending on the measurements you took. After stitching that, these are the pieces I'm going to be using for the scrunchy sleeve. You can see I have about 4 inch wide and I think 15 inches long. So what I'm just going to stitch it down straight that way. Do the same thing for the other piece. I already turned one over, then I'll just turn it over. This is a very simple tutorial, just an easy dress you can make for your baby girl. After that, I'll just turn it and I'll just put that stitch, the place I stitched down, to the middle, just like I did for the one. You can see there's a stitch part is now in the middle. So what I'm going to do from this point is I'm going to take my tape, and from that stitch point that is already in the middle, I'm going to go out by half of an inch on both sides. Half of an inch on both sides, because I'm about to make a casing for the elastic that is going to pass through it to give it that scrunchy effect. You just draw it down so to be easy for you to stitch down. I just wrote it down. Please, if you have watched to this extent, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. So I need to just stitch it down. Do the same thing for the other piece. Go out by half of an inch on both sides. Draw a line, a straight line on both sides. Go to your sewing machine, stitch it down. So basically what you are doing is you are trying to make a casing for the elastic to go through it. Yes, you're going to just stitch it down. You can start already past my elastic through one piece. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to actually start with the second piece. Pass the elastic through it, and the measurement for my elastic is about, I think I use 5 inches. Yes, I use 5 inches for my elastic. You just pass it through it. Pass the elastic through it and just put it in place properly. This is going to take some time, so you just pass your elastic through it and it's going to just bring out this scrunchy effect that I made for the first one. Yeah, you can see I'm done with the second sleeve. You're just going to pin down. Use your use your office pin to pin it down so that it will stay in place. Remember that the length of the elastic I use is 5 inches. And this, as I put the elastic through it, I make sure that it's up to, and the length of the sleeve is around 6 inch because I took 6 inch off. And since it's for a girl of 4 years old, it should be enough. So these are the sleeves. After that, you're going to attach your sleeves to the main gown. So you just turn it over to the wrong side. You take your sleeve and just very close to that armhole, you pin it down. I already did for one of it. I'm going to show you how I achieve that using this other sleeve. Just put it in place. You drag the elastic to the middle before you stitch it down. You pin it down this way, you pin the other side too, and just stop stitch on it. Just stitch on it. You can see that I'm dragging it a bit, so I don't want that elastic to lose the way it's formed. Flip it over and do the same thing for the other side. Do the same thing for the other side. You put your office paint, put it in place, then go to your sewing machine and just stitch it. This is a very simple style that you can make under 30 minutes. It's a pretty gown you can make for a baby girl. Very beginner friendly. It's very easy to make. So please, if you have watched to this point, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop a comment if this tutorial was helpful to you. Please, thank you very much. You can see this is what it's going to look like after I already stitched it down. Everything is in place. Thank you very much for watching to this point. You can see how pretty the gown looks. Thank you for watching. This is the final product. See you next time. Bye.